Hi guys, today I am going to explain how we can create the Chrome extension from the React app. We can see the popularity of Chrome plugin has been increases day by day. Like every SaaS product come up with their own Chrome plugin for essay of their users with simple formula like just plug and play. So let's take a look at how we can create the Chrome extension or plugin from the React app with minimal configurations. The first step is to create the React app with the create React app CLI. So you will get the basic structure like this, and this is the minimal thing that I am going to show as a Chrome plugin. So once our app is ready, we will get this kind of simple structure. So now onwards, we'll get this public folder having the menifest.json file. So next step is to modify the menifest.json file. The manifest file is nothing but the simple JSON file which holds the information of our web app which you can install later. So in our manifest.json file, we have to add some fields and we have to modify some existing fields like name and short name. These are the already given and we have to modify it accordingly our extension and its purpose. And the main thing which we need to keep in mind is the manifest version, which always have to be integer 2. So it will uh, like it will be the pool between the Chrome extension and the React app and will allow our app to run as a Chrome plugin. The version next is the version that which whatever you want to keep, like the type of version and that you are going to launch, like 1 2 and 0 point something like that, and here I am keeping this 0.0.1. Okay, the next is the browser action. This is the action that how your extension or app will behave on the browser. Like whenever we are open the extension from the browser, it will by default pop up this index.html, and we need to keep this index.html, so the initial path will be always the index file. The next is the default title, whatever we need to keep, whatever we want to keep as the title here. And the icon, we know that every extension has their own logo and icon, so whatever we need to keep, just define here. The next thing is the permission. Like permission is the, in terms of array, that whatever we want to use, we are going to use in our extension actually. Like if we want to use local storage, so we have to define that we are going to use this local storage in our Chrome plugin. So these are some basic configurations that we need to define in our manifest file. So once we are ready with the minimal configured manifest file, next step is to build the app. But before we build the app, there is an issue that we have to look after. Creating the build with CLI will interpret our code and gives the minified version of our script. But Chrome plugin doesn't allow the inline script. So to get rid of this problem, we have to define the .env file to the root folder, where we are specifying the inline runtime chunk to false value, so that our final build can get run as the Chrome extension. So now our React app build is ready to become the Chrome extension. We have to load this build to our Chrome browser. For, for this, let's switch to the browser and open the extension section from it. and we have to on the developer mode first, so that we are having these options here. On this left top corner we'll get this load unpacked option, where we can have our already built app having the manifest file. So we are defining the path to the build. So here we have already import it, and we can this on and off the extension here, and we can see how actually the extension have the configurations behind the scene. Okay, so now we are ready to use the Chrome extension in our browser. Let's see does it works or not. So yeah, it's working. Now our React app is becoming the Chrome extension. It's looking good, no? Okay, but before that, there is another thing that we have to keep in mind, that our default configuration for the window which will going to display or pop up as the extension. So we have to define the default CSS or configuration kind of thing, that with minimum width and height, so it doesn't affect our normal flow, but it will have this minimum width and height on the extension mode. So yes, these are the things that we need to keep in mind for the browser extension for the Chrome. And that's it, these are the minimal configuration. So this is your final output, that how we can convert our React app into the Chrome extension. Yeah, so that's it, this is the minimal configuration. Definitely you can have multiple configurations in a manifest file, having the background script or something like that. You can check out the manifest configurations as well. So that's it, we'll see you in, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video.